Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. This is a special video because Miss Ink is having a new release and we are celebrating that today. So I will bring you some content showcasing this new really cute stamp set. This is a smaller one, I believe it's 4x4, and it's called Bear and Bunny and it's just adorable. You can see you have this piece that is one large stamp that will stamp the bear, the earth and the bunny together, and yeah, it's just adorable. This couple, the bear and the bunny, has been a popular set or a popular series from Miss Ink, so there is a lot of these cute characters in the shop if you like to see some more inspiration. And yeah, I just did some quick coloring here with my alcohol markers. I used my Olo markers, and you can see the nice thing about the Olo markers is that they are two sides to them and you can pair them up however you like, because you can just unscrew them and attach them to any colors you like. I switched out my Olos for my Copics when it comes to the bunny because I wanted this brown, or not brown, but this warm gray tone, and then I switched back to my Olos when I created the colors for my planet here, so you can see how cute that is. And I'm sorry, I'm twisting my card panel here just so I could get a good impression when I was coloring. And I did some dots as well, just to bring that texture out, and I went with two markers for this. You can see how fast this is going. Even though I sped it up, this really went quickly. And the same thing here, I colored in the water parts here with some blue markers. I just went nice and slow between all of those black lines, so I didn't cross-contaminate with the green. And you can see how I brought out a deeper blue because I didn't think I had that much contrast. So I wanted some more contrast. I brought out a darker color, and then I did some dots once more with an even darker color just to bring that texture out. And in this set it also comes with some branches, and I colored them in with some matching colors here. So this was some blue green or aqua color that I picked, and I just did two shades for that as well. And then I will fussy cut all of these images out. The thing with fussy cutting is that I like to have a small scissor, and I go really slow. Especially shapes that are round I find is really hard to cut straight, so it helps if you twist your paper and not the scissor itself, if that makes sense, to get those nice and soft corners. Otherwise this image was pretty easy to cut out, and you can see how it looks. And then I wanted to create something, some interest in the background of this panel, so I used a sort of a sunburst stencil. This is also from Miss Ink. When I went to look for it in the shop I couldn't find it, but I know it's a Miss Ink one, and I think it might be retired, I'm not sure, but there is a lot of other stencils in the shop if you like to check them out. I will leave a link down below for the entire section of stencils so you can go and see what you can find. I put some cream colored cardstock. That was what I showed you, that it wasn't white, it was more cream colored. And then I went in with the beautiful Paper Glitz Golden Sparkle. This is from Picket Fence. And you can see this is really liquidy, so I went slowly and only in one direction. And yeah, I was really careful not when I lifted this as well. I had one part that was accidentally put down again. You can see it up here. It wasn't that noticeable, but it was a little bit like messy. You can see it down in the right corner. And yeah, I will attach my leaves to the back of this. I also raised it up with some foam dimension, and I will have this in the center part. And we also have a sentiment that comes from this set that says "You mean the world to me," and I will have some foam adhesive to the back of that. And to attach my card front to my card base, I just use some liquid glue and then pressed it down. I hope you can see all the sparkle that we got with the stencil. This is really nice. And I lift this up as well, so you get a good, the sentiment is in focus. And then I will go in with a white gel pen just to highlight some spots on my image, but I will also cover up if I had any mistakes. This white gel pen really is a lifesaver. You can cover up pretty much anything. So if you at some point went outside the line, you can always clean up those edges with this white gel pen. And to finish our project off, I used some clear sequins from Trinity. These are really old. I don't think they are in the shop, but Miss Ink has a lot of embellishment as well. I just wanted something clear, and yeah, you can go check that out as well. So here is our finished project. I hope you enjoyed this video and will be interested in checking out the rest of the release. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!